All right, so quick review on graphing. So first one, we are in slope-intercept form, where the +2 is our b, and that equals 2, which would be the point 0, 2, and our m, which is our slope, is 1/3. So I'm going to plot that point 0, 2. And my slope is 1/3, so I'm going to go up 1 and over 1, 2, 3. There's that, and I connect those, and there's my graph. Now this second equation here is what we call in point slope formula. So our slope on this one, our m, is our a value, this value in front, and it happens to be a negative. No number is written, so it is a -1. And then our point that we're going to use is -4, -7. And so this comes from y equals a x minus x1 plus y1. And we'll talk about how that ties into another form later, but for now, that's what that works with. So we go -4 and then -7 down here. And then our slope is -1, so I'm going to go down 1 and over 1. So we have that point there. And so our graph looks like that. And last, we want to write the equation to the graph in point slope and slope-intercept form. Okay, so for point slope, we can pick any point on the graph. So I'm going to pick this point here just for kicks. And so we get y equals, we'll worry about our a, our slope, here in a little bit, which we've been using m. And that's x minus x1 plus y1. So the point we're using is 4, 2. And then our slope, we just start at this point and count up and then over. So then our m, our slope in this case, is just 1. So we get y equals 1 x minus 4 plus 2. Which can just be written as y equals x minus 4 plus 2. Now, our slope-intercept, so our intercept's right there at 0, -2. And we already know our slope is 1, so y equals our mx plus b. So y equals 1x minus or plus that -2. Which turns out to be y equals x minus 2. And if we look over here, and I go to simplify this, that becomes y equals x minus 4 plus 2, which becomes y equals x minus 2. So both of those are the same.